So guys, you all are welcome to this channel. Missing Abia Airport. Governor Otti said that he's more interested in recovering our stolen money than fighting a man that is already down. So guys, for the records, the Alex Otti government took a firm decision on the assumption of office not to allow the discussion of the former government of Dr. EX-GOV or those of his predecessors to occupy the front burner in his administration, so that they will not constitute a distraction given the enormity of the task ahead. However, as philosopher George Santayana said, those who don't know their history are doomed to repeat it. It would be an impossibility to completely clear the mess arising from the misdeeds of the past without understanding the foundation of the problem and making the necessary corrections that would help chart a new progressive direction. So guys, in responding to the revelation made by the Governor of Abia State, Dr. Alex Otti, over the funds allegedly diverted by the EX-GOV government for the non-existent airport projects and other funds paid to contractors for non-existent job as revealed by a forensic audit, Governor EX-GOV swiftly resorted to the same primitive siege strategy using his former commissioner for information, John Oki-Kalo, and his spokesman, Uyebuchi Ememanka, who have been calling Governor Otti unprintable names, including a liar. So guys, like Amitana Fana said, all liars lie to protect themselves, to shield their ego from the raw pain of truth. We didn't expect EX-GOV and his confused and crying cronies to own up to their horrendous heists committed against the people of Abia. Hence, we were not shocked by the sadistic onslaughts being fired by them from different directions. However, the question is, can these aggressive vituperations erase the strong facts of their financial malfeasance? So guys, before we answer this question, let's briefly look at a few of EX-GOV's trajectories of lies and inconsistency in utterances and action, as this would help us establish who the true liar is. On October 1, 2015, Dr. EX-GOV had this to say: "We have received the bailout fund and it has been channeled to clear the salary arrears." So guys, he said that he has dedicated it to what it is meant for, and he will open up a system by setting up a committee to manage the fund and ensure it is used for the purpose. So guys, he said people should stop lobbying for the bailout fund to be diverted for something else. It will not happen under his watch. That was what he said. So guys, he said he wished to reiterate his charge to the members of the bailout committee to ensure that by Friday, October 30th, 2015, all outstanding salaries and pension in Abia State have been defrayed. So guys, ex-Governor EX-GOV said that he wished to state contrary to the fears expressed in some quarters. The setting up of the committee to manage the disbursement of the funds does not have any ulterior motive. So the work of the committee is not costing them any money. It is made up of those who are already in the system and they are working for their state. So guys, from this statement above, it was clear that EX-GOV knew that the public, including the civil servant workers and pensioners, didn't trust his words of assurances, and as expected, he fooled the people as he never kept his promise. The question is, what happened to our 14.15 billion bailout funds? EX-GOV is yet to provide an answer to this question. EX-GOV continued to owe workers and pensioners despite receiving allocations and borrowing heavily from financial institutions. So guys, let's stop here for now. I'll brief you guys in the next video. Please, if you are new to this channel, please do well to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. See you guys in the next video.